Oh. I'm just gonna add some. Okay. Just a little bit. Can you close it? Can you close it? Just a little bit. You don't have to do close completely. And then you can add more than one layer. Just add one layer. And I'm gonna go ahead and using welcoming hugs. So I like just want a theme of the like a fall. But also it's fall and also is the like Halloween. All right, so next we are going to using is crystal clear. You only need just a little bit, little go a long way. So I am going to clear it up on the edges and then move it toward to the middle to where is you want your veinings gonna be really precise there. And trust me, when you do glitz fusioning, you will never go wrong with this. And I'm gonna have a piece of the paper towels right on my sides here, so when I can wipe off all the excess of the residues, the pigments from the fusion inks left on my bristle, so I can clean that off. You can see that right here, right on the edges of the camera right now. And that's the way is keep it prevent from getting is contaminate. So keep it sure colors stay nice and precise. Oh, that's it. You can add more if you want to. You can like go more if you want to. I'm happy with this. We are going. There's so many techniques I would like to share with you. I have 10 nails and I'm like, oh my gosh, all the colors is already used. All some technique is not just not enough. I need more nails for the more techniques I can share with you. I'm go ahead and using is gel painting and golden touch. This is my fave. If one of the gel painting, because it does not only will do a fabulous of using a painting, but its details for the veining is a bomb. So I'm gonna just using the twin tip brush and pick up just a little bit of the gel painting, little crystal here, and just add where I'm at, right there. Okay, so I'm gonna add it just along with the veining, just a little bit, add it on, and you can just make it like a sword, like a, you don't have to get it, it's like a straight line at all. All right, here for really a quick 30 seconds. Wipe it up. This is so bomb. I don't know how long that it take you to finish this part. Take maybe forever, but definitely worth it. You have to get one color for the gel painting, like a detail, golden touch. But also you can get that gold colors from the gel painting in the bottle is the bomb, because if you don't have to worry about the brush is coming with the bottle as well. Hi Shelby, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Thank you so much, everyone. Happy Friday. Hope you all have a fabulous Friday. All right, this one is done. Let's go ahead and move on the fun design. So I'm going to go ahead and using condensed glue gels. And it's really thick density, so you just need a little bit. Little go a long way. I'm going to apply it all inside my nails. One thin layer. They will last for me probably until like the next 4 weeks. Well, next week we're going to the show. Look at that. When we are doing it, the condensed glue gels and then the top coat gonna be on, you can see that the marble look is really cool. And of course I have the encapsulate underneath before my is cat eyes on. So no white top coat. It's really cool. Like, I mean, a white top coat is on somewhere. All right. Floating right on the top. Can you see it, me, from this side? It's too small. Yeah. No. Like that. Can you see it? Or do I need to double dip? Like that. Like that. Or better? That works. Okay.
Yes.
Pumpkin?
Okay.
But it's getting away.
No, it is too much. It's okay.
Oh, it's too much. It's a pumpkin. Okay, don't worry. You got this. Here you go. And here is a happy, laughing pumpkin. Doing it for your own nails is a little bit fun. Also, it's gonna be a little bit of the challenge. So just enjoy and have fun. Don't get yourself frustrated. So I'm gonna put the laughing is pumpkins and follow up with little cute, like whatever you call that, the laughing ghost. Oh, pumpkin. No, it's just a ghost right there. Just follow. Oh, sorry. It looks like a chain. And then add just a little bit on that one. And here you go. If you don't want anything else, you're going to clear. If you want anything else, you can add the beads on, frame on. It's fun. You can see it on this side. Put it on. And I'm gonna go ahead and using the beads and connecting between it makes it look like a chain. All right. Let me check on this side. Ah, it looks really good. Okay, can't see it on the other end, but I'm gonna add where I'm at. I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna using the frame I have right here. That's it. Add some pumpkin spice and one more smaller pumpkin spice. Hey, can you see me on under the screen?
Yeah, but you have to move them. You have to comb them.
Huh?
Like that.
Is it too tall? Too
Just them out a bit. There you go.
Thank you. It's cool though. I love the backgrounds of it. It looks like you are covering it. Like, I mean, I'm covering it, but I think it's great because it gives it a really cool background look without just a plain jean look design. All right, here, that look closer. You see that how it is? It looked like a chain. Looks really cool in person though. It's just like looks so much stuff in there. Ah, it's okay. As long as I like it, it's all it's matter. So when you do your nails, you like it, do it.
Here
Here for 60 seconds.